Today's project is a JLG 600S. Customer called complaining of a hydraulic leak. Let's go see what we got. Alright, this is the unit we've got. Let's see what we can figure out here. We got plenty of oil in the galley here. We got a hose that looks like it's blown right there. Let me start the machine up and see what I can find. Alright, let me start the machine and hit the steering and see what it does. Okay, it's the steering hose. Let me see if I can find one on my truck. I keep a lot of hoses in stock in my truck. Let's see if we got the one we need. I have to unload all this to see if I've got the right one. I was able to locate a hose that will work for us. It's a little bit longer, but it's in stock and we don't have to go get one. So let me go ahead and put that on, and we'll get the customer up and running. Where the hose blew, we're rubbing on the frame. The hose is a little longer, we'll just tie it up in there. like I said, it's a little bit longer hose, but it works. And that should do it. Let's see. All right, we're all cleaned out. Let's try and put the plate back on, test it out. Okay, that seems to have taken care of the leak. So we're on to the next one.